Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now, power off the iPhone XS Max, and remove the SIM tray so nothing shifts. Once done, remove the two P2 pentalobe screws at the bottom. These release the screen clamps. Use a suction cup and a plastic pick to lift the front panel slightly. Do not pull far yet. You want a small gap to slide a pry tool around the perimeter. This separates adhesive without flexing the display glass excessively and keeps internal cables safe while you access the interior. You now open the phone like a book, rotating the display from the right hinge and supporting it under 90 degrees. Next, remove the metal shield over the connectors, keeping screw types and positions labeled, then disconnect the battery first. This prevents shorting. After that, disconnect the display, front sensor, and Face ID cables in sequence so you preserve calibration. Make sure to transfer the earpiece speaker assembly, sensor bracket, and any foam seals to the replacement screen before final reassembly to maintain function. You finish by reconnecting the display and Face ID cables, confirming each connector snaps fully into place. Reconnect the battery last. Once connected, align the top edge and carefully press the frame inward to seat the adhesive, working down both sides to avoid trapping air. Reinstall the two bottom pentalobe screws, then power on and test Touch, True Tone, and Face ID. If Touch is unresponsive, make sure connectors are fully seated and the battery is charged. Reseat shields and screws, because loose ground points often cause issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.